I welcome everybody from my heart, from India, doctors from Sweden, all the people, dentists, doctors from South Africa, medical professionals. Hello, a warm welcome from all the doctors living in the Netherlands. Also, a warm welcome to all the doctors from the northern country. In this video, I will explain to you in detail what kind of service you can get here. You can get here medical and dental language support. So I can help you building up the medical and dental language really good so that you can reach a higher level. And you want to have the big registration language test you want to pass, or you need even a higher level, C1 level, for working in as a dentist or a doctor in Belgium. And I can help you with this. I can help you reaching the B2 plus language level or the C1 language level. And I'm really experienced. I helped already 39 doctors, and now these 39 doctors are in the register, in the big registration register, because of my work. And I can make this happen also for you. So I am somebody who helps you with the medical and dental conversations. Necessary because the patient speaks the whole time in Dutch, and we need to understand this. I help with the medical dental language. And how do I help? Do I come to you or no, no, no. It's working very flexible, and you can just join me in a Zoom meeting. I arrange a Zoom meeting for you. I will send you a link to your email, and you just click on it and you are with me in a Zoom meeting. There we will meet and build up your language skills. You can come to me when you are an advanced speaker, but you can also come to me when you have no experience with the language at all. So I am also building up the language here from zero with the doctors and dentists and other medical professionals. And also for people who have no language talent, I can make it true. But then it's a question of learning more, coming here more often. So I do for advanced speakers and also for the beginners. You don't need any knowledge before coming to me. We will make it happen here in the classes, step by step. And you will get books. I don't leave you alone with everything. Everything is documented in the books. We're following books, and here are the books, the Dutch for Doctors books. I wrote these books on my own because I saw there are special needs for doctors and dentists. With a classic book, we do not reach this high level. So for having a good dental and medical knowledge, we really need books, special books, customer-made books. And these books I have made for you. It was 2 years of writing, 2 years. And now they are ready and you can purchase them. You just ask me, you fill in the form, the contact form, and ask me for the books. I can give you the books. But for understanding the books, I should help you a bit. So come to me and I help you with the language. Maybe you ask yourself, how long is Annelie on the market? I'm here on the market since the Corona time. A recruiter from the dental field contacted me and said, "Yeah, there's a big need. We need a language teacher who is who knows everything about medical and dental language." So he contacted me, and I developed the books, and now I can offer this program online. So since Corona, we are here, and since this time, I helped more than 100 people, more than 100 doctors and dentists. If you also need help with this difficult language, Dutch language, then don't hesitate anymore. I help you. You need no language skills at all in order to come here. I can make it happen for you. Also, if you have poor language skills or no language skills at all, we can make it happen for you. So how can you get in touch? Please fill in the contact form on my website, or just contact me via phone or write me a WhatsApp, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So I'm very happy that you watched this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.